Hi Taurus, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do your weeklies from the dates 13th to 19th of July. Okay, so this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. And for those who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon as well so that you will be updated about my latest videos. Alright, so before starting the reading, I'm going to take out one card from my Osho Zen Tarot, and we'll see what kind of message, the exact message from the universe is coming towards you. Alright, let's see. One card please. Yeah, we got it. Sharing. Wow. So this can be anything, sharing your food with someone, sharing your things with someone, might be your relatives, might be your friends, or might be someone who is very needy. So this is a message. See how this lady is just lending some fruits from her hands and she's going to offer to someone. So that is what it is. She has everything she needs. She has those ornaments. She has good flowers blooming around her. She has that thing. So this means that you have that thing and you need what you need to share. So for those people who are very needy, who are those who are not getting enough food, so you might help some person, you might help some people, you might help your dogs, animals, anyone who need food, whatever they need. You can share some things, okay? And with this candle, see how you can even share some kind of knowledge. This is not only about things. You can share knowledge, you can share your problems with someone. So this is what the card is telling. If you are in need, it's not always that you want someone to help you. Someone else needs some help. You might be needing some help as well. So you might be sharing your problems with someone and that person will give you some wise thoughts, some good advice might be, and that might help you a lot. Alright, so let's start with our tarot reading now. Very good message, right? Alright. My Taurus, from 13th to 19th July. The Hierophant, first card, yes. Alright, so the overall energy is 8 of Cups. This 8 of Cups generally means that moving away from a situation. But I really feel that there is something. You are not moving physically from a situation. You are moving mentally. I really feel that you are in some situation where you want to move. You just want to leave that place and you want that whatever happens, just please future, please come fast. I just cannot deal all these problems right now, because in your past energies I really feel the cards are the Hierophant, 5 of Wands and the Tower. So there was something, a moment had happened in your past, there were conflicts, there were arguments, something might have happened in your past, and you might went to counseling or something, and might be a marriage counselor, because there was some conflicts in your marriage. So you might went somewhere and you actually have counseled your marriage with a very wise person. I really feel for some people, not for everyone, because you were in a deep state of shock. You didn't know what happened. How did this thing happen all of a sudden? Okay, so in your present the cards are 6 of Wands, 3 of Wands and Page of Swords. Alright, so I really feel that there is something which you were waiting for, and you are getting some recognition. For some people, you might be getting a mail, you are getting some kind of message, SMS, or your email. So for this thing you were waiting, and finally it has come, it has arrived, and you are enjoying, you are just feeling victorious that this is what you have achieved. But my dear, success doesn't end in 6 of Wands only. You have to do a lot of work till you reach 10. Okay, 10 is the maximum level, so but you are in the 6 now. That means a lot of hard work is still there to achieve the position where you want to achieve. And you want to achieve the King of Pentacles. This is you. This is my Taurus, King of Pentacles. Everything, whatever you do, wherever you go, everything should be revolved around money. That is what my Taurus wants. So there is something you are getting, there is some kind of a dicey situation which I feel that there is something coming towards you in future. You might be needing some kind of clarity in future regarding your health, regarding your marriage problems. There is something. So that is why I really feel that you are going to take some kind of a decision as well, a very strict decision where you are, I really feel, I don't know why I'm looking at this person's eyes. See his eyes, they are so stern, they are so fixed that they are looking towards someone. These eyes are at some spot, and that person needs that thing. So that is why he is just looking at the thing which he wants. Might be some kind of thing which you wanted, and now you are becoming dicey. But let's clarify. Let's clarify. 8 of Cups. The Hermit, 7 of Pentacles, and 3 of Wands. Okay. Yeah. Waited long, right? Long wait. The 7 of Pentacles and 3 of Wands. A lot of weight was there in this situation. How much time did you wait, Taurus? That you entered a mode where you even stopped talking to people. You were in a self-realization, isolation mode. What happened? Now you want to move away from the situation because you have already waited a lot. Might be a divorce procedure for someone. You want a divorce and you were waiting and it's not happening. Okay. Let's clarify. The Hierophant. Four of Swords, Ace of Wands, and 8 of Wands. Okay. I really feel that there are two situations in your life, and both are interrelated. So you also want to enter into something new, but you have to finish this old thing first, then you will move towards something new. That is why it's taking a lot of time. That is why you are just in that thinking mode where you are just dreaming and thinking, and what shall I do, and because I want to start something new. Might be your new work as well, something of your hobby which you have just started and you want to take it as a business. So but you have to do some task in front of you from your old job, or from your might be some issues with money. So there are some things which are just pending from your last work or last situation. Only then you would be able to enter into this new thing, whichever you want. Might be some kind of a competition for some people in your past. There is some people who are with you and they are competing with you. Let's see the Tower. Queen of Cups, 9 of Cups, and 2 of Swords. Yeah. Okay, so there was a situation where you thought that it's coming to an end and you were very happy. I really see that there was something. Okay, so this thing happened, so I'm so happy it's coming to an end, but it didn't actually. And you thought that it would end, but it, in fact, it made the problem more worse. I really feel that. Let's see your present energies. What is the Six of Rods? Page of Swords, Temperance, and King of Swords. Okay, so some decisions, some mind thinking. There is something, definitely. You are dealing with a person who is very practical in your life, and there is something. For some people, you are involved with some online activity. I feel there is some kind of even gossiping going around you. Might be because you are getting recognized for something, and the other people around you, they are not feeling good with that, and they're just gossiping, they are talking shit about you, and they are just like, how can this person achieve this thing? So those kind of negative energies are coming towards you. So that is why I really feel that you are seeking some kind of balance and some kind of harmony in your life. Your mind and your heart, they want peace. Okay, for some people. But I really feel that whatever this is, you are seeking balance, but it doesn't affect you a lot. You are a very practical person. You are a person who is, whatever you are talking about me, I'm so much in peace. I have many problems, fine, but you cannot just make my mind, you cannot disturb me by your words. It's not that. Okay, so there are some people around you, I feel. Let's see, Three of Wands, Judgment, Queen of Pentacles, and Queen of Swords. Oh my god. Alright. Yeah. You are more focused in your work, I see. You have decisions to take, you have many responsibilities, you have many things in your mind. There are many issues going around you, but you are more focused in your work, I see. You are waiting for a problem to end, and you want to start something new with some other person or with some other situation. You are very clear in that thing. That is just, it doesn't matter you anymore. You are very clear. See how this lady, she is so clear. Wherever she wants to move, she wants to go, and she is moving towards that direction. You know that the judgment has been taken. You have told everyone, okay, so this is my decision. I have taken this thing, and whatever I want is my peace of mind, and I want work. I just want to continue in my work. All my all my energies should be devoted at work now. Okay, let's see the King of Pentacles in the future energies. Wheel of Fortune, the Magician, and Ten of Cups. Okay, so you are all set. Your future energies are very, very beautiful. I'm telling you, your decision making power, you have taken the decisions, very big decisions. They are already been taken. So you have all the instruments, all the energies, all the materials in your hand, and now you're all set ready, because the time is changing. The Wheel of Fortune, it's coming to an end. The bad days are coming to an end, and you are all set ready to work with your, if you are entering in new family, for those people who want to enter into new family, or in you are interested with someone else, and you are feeling some kind of a blockage with the old person. So they are all, the time is changing, and the Wheel of Fortune, the wheel of luck, is in your side now. It's moving. Let's see the Queen of Swords. Seven of Wands, the High Priestess, and Queen of Wands. Yes, so whosoever this person is, you are all set ready. You have made up your mind. You are standing by your side. Your side. You are taking a stand for yourself. You are all, you are in that mode where your ethics, your feelings should not be disturbed. If someone is coming towards you, you are more than happy to just let that person go away from your life. You are more happy. You are fine with that thing. If you are not able to accept me for who I am, so just move away from me. I am like this only. You have to accept me as I am. So this is your energy in your future. Let's see for which thing you are so much dicey. There is something. Let's see what it is. Nine of Pentacles, Six of Wands, and the Hierophant. All right. Three things. Okay, so you are dicey about. You are a little confused about entering into this relationship. You know that this person or this new thing is up to the mark. You can move with this new person, but your independence is also important at the same time. You want recognition, your work as well. You are a little dicey. So for some people it might be like you are the talk of the town from a long time. You are the person who is getting admired by many people, and now you are also moving in. You are actually moving into some solid grounds. I really feel that you have, this is Nine of Pentacles. So with the Six of Wands, I feel that you're very happy with the situation, but there is something else. You are happy, you are feeling recognized, you are feeling like on the top of the world, but this is not the end. I already told you that Six of Wands is just a little happiness, it is a little success, but you have to work a lot to move towards the 10. So this is Nine of Pentacles. So next is Ten of Pentacles. That means the ultimate. Nine of Pentacles means now you have achieved a lot of things because you have worked very hard in your life. Now it's time to go towards 10. So do not stop here. If you are feeling dicey about any situation, if you are thinking a lot that whether I should change my job, whether I should move in a new flat or something, just take a decision, and it should not involve, it should not interrupt your business, because your work is something which will take you to the 10 of Pentacles. All right, so that's all, and let's see what the universe has to say. 3 cards from the universe, please. Okay, 10, 8 of Pentacles, 4 of Wands, and the Moon. Yes, so the universe is telling you a little hard work is still there to achieve to the 4 of Wands. Okay, so you have to move. Do not stop here. Universe is telling you this is the night, the day is yet to come, the moon, the sun is about to come. So if you are getting tired, do not get tired, because the main recognition is coming towards you. All you have everything, but do not lose hope. You have to give a lot of time and all your energies towards whatever you are focused into. All right, and this card, the sharing, do not forget, if you are feeling any problem, if you are feeling anything, you can share your problems with some person who you feel he or she is very wise. You can even share your eatables with someone who is very needy. You can give your shoes, you can give your clothes. So this thing also, please keep it in mind. All right, so that's all from my side, my Taurus. I really hope you liked my reading. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.